I'm so excited to showcase to you the new wireless cooling fan Gale. It comes in this sleek, simple packaging, and here we have the USB-C cable, which is the only thing you'll need to power and operate the fan. And let's pull it off. Here it is. So my first impression holding it in my hands, it's quality. It feels quite solid, quite heavy in my hands, opposite from other cheap or plasticky products. It also stands very sturdy on all the surfaces. It doesn't slip because of the adhesive pad on the bottom. You can move it all around the house for 9 whole hours without having to recharge it. You can have it in your bedroom or in your patio without any cords or any cables. I also love the fact that it looks like a mushroom lamp. You can adjust the angle, press the slide button, and here you go. And not only it has a light on the bottom, it has a light on the top. And here you go, it just adds this whole cozy vibe to your room. It has 3 different fan speeds, and even though it does not look like it, it has automatic rotation. And here it is in all of its glory.